Let's sketch y equals sine theta between 0 and 360 degrees, or 0 to 2 pi radians. So to sketch sine, we're going to go pow, 4 divisions. Sine starts at 0, it curves up, it curves down, kind of looks like half a circle. It curves down and then curves back up. And by the way, this keeps on going and going forever and ever. It even goes backwards. It keeps on going backwards forever and ever, but we're not interested in negative values according to this problem. So 0 degrees is here. This is 90, 180. This is 270. We keep on adding 90 degrees, 360, etc. So we're not going to worry about this part here. So 180 degrees is pi radians. 90 is half of that, pi over 2. This is 1 pi over 2. 2 pi over 2 is pi. This is 3 pi over 2 is 270 degrees. And this is 4 pi over 2, which is the same thing as 2 pi radians. 4 pi over 2 is the same thing as 2 pi radians, which is 360 degrees. So as you can see here, we sketch it between 0 and 2 pi, or 0 and 360 degrees. This is called one full revolution, one full period. And this keeps on repeating over and over again. And the sine graph, this is y is equals to sine theta, ranges between 1, positive 1, and negative 1. And the domain normally is all real numbers. Normally, domain x belongs to real numbers. In this case, we're not talking about x, we're talking about theta. However, the restriction of the domain is only between 0 and 360 degrees, or 2 pi radians in this problem here.